Hi there, Spider! This is a tutorial about factoring, especially about DTC, or difference of two cubes. The given is 8t cubed y cubed minus 27 z to the 6th power w to the 6th power. We need to know if the given satisfies the condition of DTC. The first condition is it must be a binomial. The second condition is the terms are perfect cubes. The last condition is the terms must be separated by subtraction. So, the given satisfied the conditions. The first step is finding the cube root. So, this will be 2ty minus 3z squared w squared. After we find the cube root, we will then find the trinomial factor. Since this is difference, the trinomial factor will have a positive middle sign. So, in finding the trinomial factor, we need to square the first term of the binomial factor. So, it will be 4t squared y squared. And then, get the opposite of the product of the first and second term of the binomial factor. The sign will be positive because it is the opposite of minus. So it will be 6ty z squared w squared. Last is square the last term of the binomial factor. So it will be 9z raised to the power of 4 and w raised to the power of 4. The final answer is 2ty minus 3 squared w squared times 4t squared y squared plus 3ty z squared w squared plus 9z 4w4. That's all. Thank you. Hope you enjoy.